The BetterVent is the original waterless indoor dryer vent. It has a double filter system that will protect your indoor air quality from dryer lint and dust. Maintenance is quick and easy. Simply open the filter housing and clean the stainless steel screen. The polyester filters can be cleaned or replaced as needed. ADR Products designed the BetterVent to be the best performing indoor dryer vent on the market. Don't be fooled by foreign copycats that have shown up in the market. Imitations can't compare to the original. The BetterVent is made in the USA and will provide you with years of reliable performance. We work hard to provide the best customer service. Order directly from ADR-Products.com and receive the best price possible. Buy the BetterVent at ADR-Products.com to get the original indoor dryer vent made right here in the USA. If you have questions about indoor dryer venting, call us at our headquarters in Laramie, Wyoming at 888-609-5512.